Go.
Hi.
Hold on, it's not in focus yet.
What do you mean it's not in focus?
I'm trying to get it to focus, hold on.
Hurry up, dude, I was in the zone.
Hold on. Okay, you're good.
Okay. Hi, my name's Brandon, and today we're gonna show you how to make a video. And it's gonna be a great time. Is that good?
Yeah, it's good.
Okay.
How to make a video.
Go.
Okay, first we want to talk about is the camera, and we're using the camera.
Just draw it anyway.
Oh yeah, I'll just draw it. Okay.
I'll turn it sideways.
Okay. Hold on, let me get the.
Get the front first.
Turn it sideways. Turn it sideways. Those are our interns. All right, so there's a little thing there, and it goes up. And that. Oh no, that part's hard. Okay, hold on. Wait a minute. Why'd you move it back? Then there's the screen. So, all right, turn it back now. Oh, basically it looks like this, and there's a button here you push to record, and this is the camera part, and this is what films. This is the microphone, and you hold, this is the handle, I'll label it, and you put this part on your shoulder. Unless you're like me and you got really bad shoulder, you just gotta put it on a tripod, because you know how shoulders are.
Yeah, I know. Feel that.
And there's a bunch of buttons here. I don't know what any of them do, but it's fun. And that's the camera. I cut it.
Okay. Go.
Okay, and then, move the camera.
Oh, I'm sorry.
There you go. All right, next we're gonna talk about the clapper. And well, we don't have a real clapper because our multimedia teacher won't buy one. But we got these cool iPads, and they're basically the same thing when they're charged. This one's dead. But just imagine there's like a black and white theme here with a bunch of words that no one really pays attention to, and you press a button and it goes boop, and no one really knows what it does, but we use it. And dude, what are you doing? Stand out there.
It's good, it's good, go.
The next thing we're going to talk about is the most important part, the badge. And you want to have this at all times when you're out.
All sophomores, please go to the library. All sophomores, please go to the library.
You want to have the badge because if you don't have it, people are going to think you're just skipping because the giant camera isn't enough proof. So you always got to have this around your neck when you're out on the job. And unless you're that one girl who still a pass to skip sophomore year. But that's fine.
Oh, I didn't see you there. How's it going? Today, this part of the tutorial, we're gonna be showing you how to edit.
Hey, say your name.
Alright, so we're gonna edit videos today, and first you wanna pull up your software. Dude, get away! Go back over there. You're not supposed to see that. Alright. Anyway, so you wanna pull up your software and plug all your videos into the software, and you just.
Do you think we should like show them the process so like they know what we're talking about?
No, they don't need it.
Okay, we're good.
Then once the videos are in there, then you just edit them, and then you're done. That's it. Oh, it's like coffee, man.
You don't need it.
Okay.
Shuffle it over there.
Wait. Just put it down. You go.
Okay, that's good. And that's how you make a video. What did you do?
I didn't do anything. What did you do?
Hey, you edited it.
Try it again. Go.
The computer blew up, isn't it? I hope Jar doesn't get mad at us.
It's okay. High five anyway. Cut it off. Cut it.
Oh no.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay, I'm done.